Taste test. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna do a...
Wow. Amazing.
taste test to see if it's really amazing. Good morning everyone and happy first day in London. I'm so excited. It is actually a really sunny day today and it's a little bit warmer than normal, so I'm so excited to go out in the city and start exploring. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me for this first day, just kind of like getting a feel for the city, going to some of like the popular areas. There's so many things to see in London. It's absolutely insane. So I was talking to my boyfriend about making a bucket list so we could actually have like a plan of action of all the different things that we want to check out. And the plan for today is like very chill. We just had breakfast, as you guys saw, and we are just gonna go out walking around. I want to do some shopping actually today because I didn't pack a ton of clothes. I actually didn't bring that much stuff. I'm not done unpacking. You guys will see in the next vlog my unpacking kind of organization day. But I didn't bring a ton of clothes because I knew that the shopping in London would be really great. So I'm excited to go out and just look at some of the shops. I want to buy a new jacket. I want to buy maybe some new tops, a new pair of shoes, and a perfume, some household stuff, jewelry, just kind of like random things. So I'm literally so excited just to get out and start exploring London for the first time. And I'm also excited to show you guys like how the apartment's coming together because it is literally so cute. So I'm gonna show you guys everything, but first I'll do a little OOTD for my first day in London. Okay, so since I don't have a full-length mirror yet, I just am going to use Julian to help me with my outfit of the day. So today I'm wearing these rings from Lanier. I'm wearing this top from Mango. This sweater is from Banana Republic. These pants are from Princess Polly, and they're really cute and comfy. I'm trying to go for like a comfy vibe just because I'm going to be walking a lot in the city. And then I'm wearing this outfit with my Air Force Ones and with this puffer jacket that's from Abercrombie. And I wore this on my New York and Boston trip. So that's the outfit of the day. Just got this iced coffee from Pret, and I got this hair clip from Boots because it's super windy today, even though it's warm, so I needed something to tie my hair back. I'm currently in Canada Goose, trying on a Canada Goose jacket for the first time. These are so expensive, but I found this really pretty, like kind of blue. It's like a really muted blue gray color, which I think is so beautiful. I think this would be so cute for the winter time. But yeah. I am at Abercrombie and I got lots of cute things. This is really not my vibe. It's a little bit too oversized for me. It's really cute, like the color, and like I like the buttons, but I'm not really feeling it. It's not cute.
Yeah, it's like a
I tried. This is the only thing I liked. I may have been unsuccessful, but my boyfriend was not. Okay guys, we just finished afternoon tea and it was so good. I'm so happy we did that because that was one of the items on my bucket list that I had been wanting to do for a super long time. We had afternoon tea at the Woolsey and it was super nice. Everything was good. The sandwiches were good. We had free refills on the sandwiches and they packed up my scones with the clotted cream and the strawberry jam to go, so we have some to take home, which is super nice. And now we're actually on Bond Street, and this is like the street with all the designer shops. It's just fun to window shop a little bit. All right, so for dinner tonight, Yulian and I were not super hungry because we had all that afternoon tea. So I just made some tteokbokki with red peppers, yellow peppers, onions, and green onions, some cheese on top. We're gonna sit here and have a little dinner and watch some Netflix.
Balance. Honest guests can head back to the retreat to take a long, hard look at themselves.
Oh my god.
What's your biggest fan, sweetheart?